Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share some of my top packing tips to help you make the most of your travels. Whether you're going on a weekend getaway or a longer trip, these tips will help you pack efficiently and stress-free. Tip 1. Plan ahead. First things first, make a packing list. Jot down all the essentials you'll need for your trip. This will help you stay organized and ensure you don't forget anything important. Tip 2. Pack light. Try to pack light by bringing versatile clothing and only the essentials. This will make it easier to maneuver and avoid hefty baggage fees. Tip 3. Use packing cubes or organizers. Utilize packing cubes or organizers to keep your belongings neat and easily accessible. This will also help prevent overpacking and keep your bag organized throughout your trip. Tip 4. Roll your clothes. Rolling your clothes instead of folding them can save space and prevent wrinkles. It's a game changer for maximizing space in your luggage. Tip 5. Pack an extra bag. Don't forget to bring a foldable bag for souvenirs or dirty laundry on your way back. It's always handy to have extra space for unexpected items. Tip 6. Bring travel-sized toiletries. Opt for travel-sized toiletries to save space and comply with airline regulations. You can also transfer your favorite products into smaller containers to lighten your load. Tip 7. Pack a first aid kit. Include a small first aid kit with essential items like Band-Aids, pain relievers, and any necessary medications. It's better to be prepared for any minor mishaps while traveling. Tip 8. Don't forget chargers and adapters. Remember to pack chargers for your electronic devices and any necessary adapters for international travel. It's a small detail that can make a big difference. Tip 9. Consider the weather. Check the weather forecast for your destination and pack accordingly. Don't forget to bring a jacket or umbrella if needed. Being prepared for the elements will make your trip much more enjoyable. Tip 10. Pack important documents. Lastly, make sure to bring all your important documents, including your passport, ID, travel insurance, and any other necessary paperwork. Keep them in a secure and easily accessible place. And there you have it, my top packing tips for stress-free travel. I hope these tips help you pack efficiently for your next adventure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more travel tips and adventures. Thanks for watching and happy travels.